Global market analysis. As we know, one country economy is dependent on other country economy as well. Apart from Indian market news and events, we need to track US market as well. US market is the strongest economy in the world and most of the international transactions happens in dollars. The Indian market timings are from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. Coming to the US market, the timings are from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. US market opens after Indian markets close. In US markets, we need to follow mostly US market indices, that is Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and futures as well. Nasdaq belongs to the IT sector. Before Indian markets open, check whether the Dow Jones and Nasdaq are positive or negative. If they are positive, then there are high chances that Indian market may open positive for the next day. And if they are negative, there are high chances that Indian market may open negative next day. While our markets open, US futures trade. If there is a sudden fall in Indian market, check US futures as well. Close to 12:30 p.m. in our Indian market, in our Indian Standard Times, European markets open. Here we need to check three indices, that is UK 100, CAC and DAX. So we need to plan the trade based on the markets as well. Before our market opening, check SGX Nifty, which is Singapore market as well. This opens around 6:30 a.m. Not only price action, we need to follow news as well. So news first and price action next, because news always impact the stock market. Okay, let's go to the website investing.com, and here we can discuss. So this is the investing.com. This is a home page. Here you can see the major indices. These are the major indices. If you select the country as India, then you will be able to see the India first and other countries next. And indices futures trade 24/7 in US market. So you can see here India indices, major indices, everything you can see here. So first we need to check the major indices. So these are the major indices, and here you can see the India. So if the value is changing, then it denotes that market is still open. Since we are at the after market hour, then the value will be constant here. So we need to check India, US and other countries as well. Okay, we need to track the US market and UK market as well. These are very important. As we discussed the DAX, UK, CAC, this will be discussed in the earlier slide. This is the Indian market indices and US market indices. So trade based on the sentiment, whether the market is positive or negative. Okay, so apart from this, we also need to check commodities and bonds. So you can see here the commodities and bonds will also be there. World indices, you can see every world indices as well. China, Colombia, Czech Republic, everything. So based on this, analyze the global market and market sentiment and how we need to trade.